Yep. In my white tee. Yep. In my white tee. Yep. In my white tee. Yep. In my white.
Hello there. Okay, MADtv. This one's, I think, arguing couple or oh no. Can I talk to you in the kitchen for a second? I think MADtv.
You never hear me. You just don't hear me. I mean, I'm not saying you don't listen. You just don't hear what I'm saying.
You know what? You don't listen because you don't care enough to listen.
Okay, Amy. All right, look at me. Look at me.
I am looking at you.
Right.
I am looking.
Lisa and Nick are gonna be here any second. So put on your game face, all smiles. These are my friends.
Yeah. They are your friends. You know why? Because since we've been married, I don't have any friends.
You know what? I can tell you why you don't have friends today, because we're married.
Oh, please, I'd love to hear this.
If you give me a freaking week, I can hip you to it, all right?
All right.
Yeah.
Hey.
Guys, drinks, the usual?
Yeah, but first, we have an announcement we'd like to make.
Oh, an announcement. That sounds exciting.
Well, since you guys have such a great marriage, we want you to be the first to know.
We're getting married.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's great. That marriage is so fun. And, you know, sometimes it's a little hard, but it's a lot of fun.
Amy, can I talk to you in the kitchen for just a second?
Sure. Okay, we'll be right back.
1 second.
Excuse us for 1 second. Sorry about that.
What the hell are you doing? I told you not to embarrass me in front of my friends.
You know what? You lost the right to tell me how to act 6 months ago,
Oh,
pal.
don't bring up the 6 months ago, all right?
Yeah.
Those drugs were prescribed, and that building was already condemned. So don't bring up 6 months. Hey, should I get those drinks now? Of course I should. Okay.
What drugs are prescribed?
Oh, nothing. No. So, have you guys picked a date?
Well, we were thinking maybe June.
Please, excuse me 1 second. Yeah. Hello? Oh, hi, Sarah. From work. Let me see if I can handle that for you.
Hey, Nick, you take yours with a twist, right?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, Doug, I love you so much. I know. I can't wait for you to be here with me. No, this is definitely over. I wish you were here right now.
So, Lisa, you thinking a big wedding or just family and close friends?
We haven't decided yet.
Do you know what I would do to you if you were here now? No.
Oh, well, you know, big weddings are nice, but there's nothing quite like an intimate little affair.
No, come now. Come right now. Okay, I'll see you soon. Mwah. Oh, I'm sorry, you know, work business. So I heard you guys are having a small wedding, you said?
Oh, come on, what's going on?
Yeah. What are you talking? There's nothing going on. There's nothing going on. Amy, can I talk to you for just 1 second in the kitchen?
Sure, absolutely.
I'll be right back.
Excuse us 1 second. That looks yummy. I need a drink, huh? That looks good.
How dare he call here, especially after I caught him in bed wearing my robe?
You know what? At least he calls when he says he's going to.
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Amy. I have a little thing called a job. It tends to take up a lot of my time. Pardon me. But when I come home from my job, the last thing I expect to find is my wife in bed with my squash partner.
Squash partner, what?
I'm good. No, nonsense. Sit, please. Oh, you know what? That reminds me. I mean, I have to make that call, you know, that the guy about the car. I'm gonna make that call. So I'm gonna do that. Can you guys just hold on and enjoy the dip?
You know what? Actually, I left something in the back real quick. I'm gonna get it and I'll be right back out.
All right.
Excuse me, sorry.
Yeah, hey, it's me. I'm calling about the thing. $15,000? Okay, is that for the both of them or just my wife? Hey, listen, pal. I'm not asking you to shoot the president here, okay? Okay, fine. Just my wife. Fine, just get it done. Yes, we are cool. So, what do you think? Europe? The tropics?
Oh, Europe is nice, yeah.
Listen, Amy, can I talk to you for a minute? It's really important.
Give me 1 second because I need to clean up just a little bit.
She was
I
so good
really
at
need to
shaking
talk
her
to you
hand
right
and shit.
now.
Like, yeah, it's
Well, look who it is. It's my friend Doug.
Oh, hey, that's Doug. Hey, Doug, how's it going? Real good to see ya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
Say, can I talk to the two of you in the kitchen for just 1 second?
Sure, absolutely. Could you guys just give us
I'm
one
sorry,
second,
no,
guys?
you're
It'll be done in a second. Sorry about this. Yeah.
How dare you come to my home and embarrass me in front of my friends?
You had your chance with her, but you blew it.
We are running away whether you like it or not.
Oh, really? Well, you know what? I think you'd be surprised the things I could do to stop you.
No. Hey, listen, I gotta get some stuff that Doug is gonna help me with the thing. I'm gonna be right back. It'll just take a second. The roast is in the oven. I'll be right back. Good luck with your marriage.
Have a nice time, sweetie. I'll see you in a bit. Say, can I talk to you two in the kitchen for just 1 second? Here we go. This'll just be a minute. Get you back to that dip, huh?
Get you back to that dip.
What are you two thinking getting married? What are you idiots? Everyone gets hurt. I think